Hi there. Let's talk about accessories. Accessories are beautiful jewelry that we wear on our ears, around our necks, on our wrists, and on our fingers. Let's look. These are earrings. Earrings. This is a necklace. A necklace. This is a bracelet. A bracelet. This is a ring. A ring. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kinds of accessories. Where do you wear earrings? On your neck? No. Earrings go on your ears. Your ears. Where do you wear a necklace? On your shoulder? No. On your head? No. Necklace goes on your neck. Your neck. Where do you wear a bracelet? On your fingers? No. A bracelet goes on your wrist. Your wrist. Where do you wear a ring? On your wrist? No. A ring goes on your finger. Your finger. This is a wedding ring. A wedding ring goes on your left hand on this finger. A wedding ring goes on this finger on your left hand. Now, let's practice. We are going to take off and put on accessories. Take off and put on accessories. I put on my earrings. I put on my earrings on my ears. My left ear and my right ear. I put on earrings on my ears. I put on my necklace. I put on my necklace around my neck. Around my neck. I take off my earrings. I take off my earrings. I take off my earrings from my ears. I take off my necklace. I take off my necklace from around my neck. I put on my bracelet. I put on my bracelet around my wrist. I take off my bracelet. I take off my bracelet from my wrist. I put on a ring. I put on a ring on my finger. I put on my wedding ring. I put on my wedding ring on my left hand. I take off my ring. I take off my ring from my fingers. Earrings, necklace, bracelet, ring, wedding ring. Earrings go on your ears. A necklace goes on your neck. A bracelet goes on your wrist. A ring goes on your fingers. A wedding ring goes on your finger on your left hand. Do you wear accessories? Which accessory do you love to wear? I wear my wedding ring every day. Today, we learned about accessories, earrings, necklace, bracelet, ring, and a wedding ring. See you soon. Bye.